Hey, it's Sunday dinner. Let me show you what we're making. So this is a lemon chicken. I'll put the recipe in the description. It's supposed to be baked, but I'll be honest with you, it's 105 today here in the Phoenix area, and I am not interested in heating up the house any more than I have to. So I'm outside loading up the Traeger, which you can use as an outdoor oven, and it's great. You can see it's smoking, it's doing its thing. So you bake this for about 45 minutes at 350. Olive oil, and let me tell you, I'll put the recipe in the description, but it's olive oil, lemon, salt, pepper, Dijon mustard, a couple cloves of garlic, what else? Thyme, oregano, probably said that already, and we go from there. But as you can see, I got lots of chicken, and I might just run out of room. And I'll let you know how it turns out. Hopefully it's good. It's hot out today. You create the marinade, let it soak for a couple hours, and then throw it on the, well, technically you're supposed to throw it in your oven, but yeah, it's too hot. It's too hot, so it's just going to be what it's going to be. So 45 minutes later, it'll be done. Hopefully it turns out good, because I've never made this before, at least not this version. So what I'll do is I keep all the extras. So whatever juices are left over, I will save those so I can use them as not a marinade. So I can use it as to base. At some point, I'll probably throw the lemons in there. Hopefully that will help. Add a little zest, add a little lemony flavor to the lemon chicken. But yeah, right now it's cooking. 45 minutes later, hopefully it turns out. All right, so whether you're cooking on a Blackstone or a Traeger, there's always a hot spot somewhere. Grill. So my Traeger, right here, on this side, it gets a lot warmer than over here. So knowing that, you got to come in and kind of switch it around, which is fine. But when you're doing a lot of meat, you have to pay attention. So as you can see, it's so I get this thing at 350 degrees, and stuff in the middle seems to be doing okay. But this outside edge, it's just cooking. No pun intended, but that's what it's doing. So, anyway, the jostling camera, but trying not to burn dinner. There we go, all done. It is done. So I actually pulled a piece off just to test it, and just so you know, this is Sunday dinner for us. This is where all the noise comes. So every week, Sunday dinner, everybody comes over, all the kids, all the grandkids. We feed them, we play, we hang out. It's a good time. Quite honestly, if we can do it, make it a habit, make it a tradition. I'm not trying to preach to you, I'm just saying the benefits outweigh the cost. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.